Hi colleagues, how are you doing? Now I have promised to make you a video tutorial to show you how you will function on Holy Trinity's Consultation Day 2021. Now let's get started. Now first of all, once you get into your department account or department meeting, the moderator will create your breakout room with your name. As you can see that my breakout room has Mr. Bernard on it. So once that is done, the moderator will invite you or assign you rather to your breakout room. So upon doing that, you will get this message. So you will be asked now to join breakout room. So let us join breakout room. So I'm going into the breakout room. Alright, now I'm in the breakout room right now. Very good. Now let's look at some of the features that you can see. Ensure that your audio is on. Now I did not turn on my computer audio because I'm recording this for you. But of course, on the real day, you must remember to open your audio. Of course, you must ensure that you start your video because you would like the parent to see who they're speaking to. Now, you have participants, so you can click on participant to see who's in the breakout room with you. Right now, I'm alone. Do you want to join? Okay. Now, of course, we're not going to use a chat. We want to speak to the parent using our audio, auditory skills. So we speak, we listen. So we're consulting. Very good. Then you have the share button. We're going to go to the share button next. Now, I'm not particularly worried about the record button, okay? But you can click and ask for help. So we have the ask for help and the reaction. Now this ask for help button is very important. I'm going to go to that button last, okay? And of course you have the leave room button. So after you're finished with your day's work, you can go to the main session and click on leave room to return to the main session. But guess what? Let's use your imagination. Come with me. Now the moderator is going to put a parent into my room. So my first parent will now enter my room. Now when the parent gets in, of course you're going to find out that the parent will sign in with the child's name, so you'll know which child's report you're supposed to look for. So you're going to click on share, ensure to have RenWeb up. Then you're going to click on the menu bar, which is those triple horizontal lines. Scroll down to report manager. Then you're going to click on academics, click on report card, scroll down, click on class, but also ensure to change from the Christmas term to the Easter term. Then you're going to choose one of the classes. Of course you know by now, or you should know by now, which class that student is in. Or you could ask the parent just in case you forgot. So I'm going to choose 303. Now you have two options at this point. You can either transfer all the students over to the second rectangle here by using the double arrow, or you can choose the student of which you're about to consult with, or the parent of the student you're about to consult with rather. So I'm going to choose Kimberly Irvin. Then I'm going to click on the single arrow. Very good. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on view report. Then I'm going to click on view report cards. Then I'm going to click on the down arrow here, choose the first template. Then I'm going to click on view. Following so far? Okay, I heard you. Alright. Now we're going to click on continue. And ta-da! Whose report we're at? Kimberly Irvin. So we could say, Good afternoon, Miss Hervin, or good afternoon, Mr. Hervin. How are you doing? So of course you look for your subject. Look for Mr. Bernard. Mathematics, that's my subject. Oh, Mr. Hervin, your daughter did very well, so I don't need to spend much time with you. But if there's anything that you need to ask me, please go ahead and ask me. Of course, she's very attentive in class. She participates well. Continue to motivate her. Alright, so when you're finished with Mr. Irvin now, then you're going to stop sharing. Then you're going to click on the all-important button, Ask for Help. Well, this button, when you click on Ask for Help, you're basically sending the moderator a clue that you're finished with this parent and they should send in the next parent. So remember to click on Ask for Help. Now, depending on your device that you're using, you can look for Ask for Help if you're using a mobile phone up on this section here, what I'm touching. Or if you're using a laptop, you may not see the Ask for Help right here, but you're going to click on More and then you see Ask for Help. So the Ask for Help button is the clue to tell the moderator that you're through with your 5 minutes with that child's parent. So I wish you all the very best on Consultation Day 2021. Now it's time for me to end this